The length of this video is going to be determined by my ability to pick this lock. I locked myself out, man, of my shop like an idiot. Nope. Trying to pop those pins.
When I was in my early 20s, I learned how to pick locks on YouTube, believe it or not. Made my own set of lock picks, and I really enjoyed it. It's like a puzzle. I might do a small video on how to make your own set or how to pick a simple lock. It's not too hard.
I like to pick locks, like individually pick the pins. That one bound up. There's one. Ugh! Gotta do it every time. I picked it in reverse. Okay, other way. Let's try it again.
What I'm doing right now is slowly feeling the pins in the lock and pushing them past the threshold. So I'm doing it one at a time instead of just raking the pins. That's another way of doing it. I don't personally do it that way. I like picking them individually.
Come on, buddy. Oh, almost. One more pin. Where are you? Oh, I've almost got it. No, man, I'm so close. There we go. Goodness.